Hello, welcome everyone to the Web3 Education and Investment. So today in this video, I'm going to show some practical and useful skill in the Web3. This one is about how you can import Ledger into Polkadot JS wallet. So as a lot of you already know, the Ledger is a hardware wallet for the crypto, right? You can safely store your token in the Ledger wallet. And some of you may ask why we need to do that, why we want to import that into the JS wallet. And so if you actually participate in the Crowdloan like of Polkadot, the Ledger is not well supported. So that means if you participate, use your Ledger. If you use that account, most likely you will have some issue in the future. For example, if you participate in the Arcana or Parallel, those kind of a project, you can participate. However, the Ledger cannot switch to the parachain. So you cannot switch to the Parallel parachain. You cannot switch to Arcana parachain. So the reward will be sent to your account, but you cannot access that. So because of that, you may have trouble, but you don't want to lose your rewards. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can import that and how you can access your token. So if you are new to this channel, this is a Web3 education and investment. Feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos. So now I'm going to show you first of all what you need. So first of all, you need your Ledger seed phrase. So it's 24 words, and that's very important. We're going to use a tool to generate a private key and load that into the JS wallet. I want to give you the warning here, so don't share your seed phrase to other people. So this video, I will just make that as for the educational purpose and share my personal experience. But you should keep it safe. And also, there might be risk if you have your Ledger account. Normally it's safe for the hardware account. If you import that into the JS wallet, it's not that safe compared to the hardware wallet. So that's a risky you need to take. If you want to be safe, you probably want to send all of the token, all of the coins in your Ledger account to another account before you did the rest. Okay. And so now we need to do the setup. Depends on what system you use. If you are using Mac, you should use terminal. If you use Windows, you can use command. You may want to use Anaconda, because Anaconda is a tool you can install, and once you install that, the command will be similar to the terminal in Mac. Okay, so now I will demo using the Mac. So to set it up, we're going to install a few things. First of all is a Git. So we need to install the Git because later on we're going to download the tool from the GitHub. Of course, if you don't install the tool, you can directly go to the GitHub link and download that. Second is we're going to install the node. So this is a command to show you how you are going to install that, and I'm going to demo that now. So first of all, I will demo from the Mac. So you should go to the Launchpad. So if you go to the Launchpad and then search terminal, this is going to open the terminal. So I will make it bigger, okay? Make it bigger. So now you can see the terminal. Okay, so with the terminal now you can check. For example, I already have the Git, so I can check my Git version. If you didn't install that, you can search on Google and you can easily find the tutorial how to install the Git. And to install this node command, I will post the command below the video. So for those of you who, if you want to install that, and so this is going to install the NVM, so it should go quite straightforward. And then after that, you need to install the the node version. So any version after this one, after 14.17.0 should work. And then you want to choose that. So I'm going to use this version. So now we're using this node, okay? And so this is the environment setup. After that, now we're going to download the tool. And so since I already installed the Git, so I can use this git command to download the tool. Of course, I think I have a folder with the same name, so you can delete that. Use im to delete. So I delete that. Now I'm going to clone a new directory. So it's going to be the tool we're going to download. After that, after you download, you first need to go to the directory. So you will go to this directory. So cd this directory. Now we are under the folder. We can install it. So we'll use npm install. So that's going to install the tool. It will take a little bit time, and now it's all installed. And so the next step is to generate the private key. So we will use the command npm start Polkadot, and then you should put your seed here. So my seed is here. You should use your own seed, okay? Don't use my seed. So this is my seed, and then like you can after you have the seed, then you put 0 0. So this is going to run the tool and generate the private key. So you should save this private key. So this is a private key you should save, and we will need that in the next step. So in the next step, you need to go to your JS wallet. Okay, so I will just go to the JS wallet. I have it here. So Polkadot JS wallet. Okay, so I will go to my JS wallet. Obviously, you should go to yours. And then I will go to the account. And I already have several accounts here. So I'm going to add a new account. So I will add a new as I show it here. So you need to choose you need to select raw seed. So I'm going to select raw seed, and this raw seed you should put the one you just generated. So this one is a seed you generate, you put it here, okay? And then you should also go to the advanced option and choose the AdWords, okay? You will choose this option, and now you should say I have saved, and then click next. So it's going to create the wallet. You can give it a name. So we just say wallet from Niger. So that's your Niger, and then you can put a password. Okay, and then click next. Then you can save it. Okay, so this is a JSON file you just saved. This JSON file it's just like your wallet. You should save it safely. Okay, and this is the wallet I just get from the Niger, and then you should allow any network for this account. So right now it's under my Polkadot. Actually, you can import that into any parachain you want to use. So let's say here you can go to the top right. Oh, I'm sorry. So here like you can go to the top left and select. For example, if you want to load that into your parallel, for example, and you can switch the parallel, and then you can add account here and then use a private key. So depends on which parachain you want to load. You will just do the same thing here, and then choose a raw seed, and then put your seed here. So that's how you are going to import your Niger account into the JS wallet. So make sure you back up everything, and again, like, I would say this is a little bit risky unless you already participate into the Crowdloan and you want to access your token. I don't recommend you do that. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.